There are places on Earth that seem almost too beautiful to be real, where the ocean glows in 1,000 shades of blue, where white sand whispers beneath your feet, and where the air carries the scent of salt and adventure. The Rosario Islands are one of those places. Hidden just off the coast of Cartagena, this Caribbean paradise is waiting for you. But the magic of the Rosario Islands is not just in their beauty. These islands hold secrets of the past, whispers of pirate legends, and the untamed spirit of the Caribbean. The waters here have seen gold-laden Spanish galleons, fearless buccaneers, and centuries of mysteries. And now it's your turn to set sail. Your journey begins in Cartagena, where the boat cuts through the crystal-clear water, carrying you away from the city and into a world that feels untouched by time. The sun dances on the waves, the salty breeze fills your lungs, and in the distance the islands begin to appear, small jewels floating on an endless turquoise sea. First, you dive into an underwater dream. The Rosario Islands are home to some of the most vibrant coral reefs in the Caribbean. As you snorkel through the warm waters, you'll be surrounded by colorful fish, hidden caves, and the silent beauty of the deep. Here time slows down, and for a moment, you become part of the ocean itself. Then you step onto one of the islands, a place where palm trees sway, and life moves with the rhythm of the waves. A delicious Caribbean lunch awaits, bursting with fresh flavors and the warmth of local hospitality. With the ocean at your feet, and the sun on your skin, this is the definition of pure freedom. As the day unfolds, you'll explore hidden beaches, secret lagoons, and the raw, untouched beauty of these legendary islands. Every stop is a new story, every wave a reminder that you are in one of the most breathtaking places on Earth. But the magic of the Rosario Islands is not just what you see, it's what you feel. The sense of escape, of adventure, of pure, untouched paradise. It's the realization that some places still exist where the world slows down, and all that matters is the sun, the sea, and the endless horizon. This is more than a tour. It's an experience you'll never forget. Don't just dream about paradise. Click the link in the description and book your Rosario Islands adventure today. But hurry, this slice of heaven sells out fast. How can you book these fantastic experiences? The links to all these amazing activities are in the video description. Planning more adventures? Check out my Amazon store, Lucy Evans Travel Guides, for expert tips and side recommendations. Link in the description. Loved this video? Make sure to subscribe and drop a like. Your support helps us bring you the best travel content. Oh, by the way, are you a free soul? Do you dream of traveling the world without money worries? We've created the most complete course on building a travel lifestyle that lets you explore the world and get paid for it. Check the link in the description to learn more about this life-changing opportunity. Join our Republic of Travelers and start your journey today.